Topic sentence. The importance of helping my family. Helping my family is important because it shows that I care about them. I help by doing my chores, like cleaning my room, taking out the trash, and feeding our pets. When my parents are busy, I try to help by setting the table for dinner or folding laundry. Helping my family also means being kind to my siblings and sharing with them. When we all work together, everything gets done faster. And we have more time to enjoy together. Helping my family makes me feel responsible and proud. Topic sentence. What I love about family gatherings. Family gatherings are one of the best times for me. It's when all my relatives come together. Like my aunts, uncles, cousins, and grandparents. We usually have big meals with delicious food. And everyone brings something special to share. I love playing with my cousins, catching up with my relatives, and listening to the grown-ups tell funny stories. Sometimes, we even have games or talent shows where everyone can participate. Topic sentence. My grandparents are special to me. My grandparents are very special to me. They have a lot of stories to share about when they were young. And I love listening to them. My grandma is an amazing cook, and she often teaches me how to bake cookies and cakes. My grandpa loves gardening, and sometimes I help him plant flowers and vegetables. They also spoil me with treats and gifts whenever I visit. I love spending time with my grandparents because they are kids, loving, and always make me feel special. Topic sentence. Cooking with my family. Cooking with my family is one of my favorite activities. We like to cook dinner together or bake cookies on the weekend. When we cook together, everyone has a job to do, like chopping vegetables, stirring the pot, or setting the table. It's fun to work together to make a meal, and it feels good to eat something we've all made together. Cooking with my family also teaches me how to prepare food and follow recipes, which are a skill I can use when I grow up. Topic sentence. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza because it's delicious. And you can put all kinds of toppings on it. My favorite pizza has cheese, pepperoni, and lots of vegetables like bell peppers and mushrooms. I like when the cheese is all melted and stretchy. Pizza is fun to eat because you can share it with family and friends. And everyone can choose their favorite toppings, whether it's homemade or from a restaurant. Pizza is always a treat that I look forward to.